Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning on an Epson Stylus SX435W. So, from the home page of the printer, we use the arrow keys on the front to go down and across to Setup, which is this icon in the bottom right hand corner. So we press OK to go in. Then we're going to move right to go past ink levels to Maintenance. So we press OK to go in. If we go across just once, we have the head cleaning option. So we press OK to go into that. And now your printer will perform an automated cleaning cycle which pushes ink into the printhead and will hopefully dislodge anything that's been dried in there. So this will take just a second. Now, with the clean complete, you can either press OK to finish, but underneath there is the ability to print a nozzle check test page, which will break down the colours and show you the results of your clean. So I'd recommend doing that just to see how that's worked out for you. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to see. So thank you for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.